already come to the last part of this exercise set, and then there is only one more for this week, and it's basically writing decimals as fractions. We're not going to ask you to do this on the exam, but it's a very nifty thing to be able to do. So 0.11111 and so on. How do you write it as a fraction? Because, well, it is repeating, and I told you everything that's repeating, you can write it as a fraction. So how do you do this? Well, with a little trick. Basically, we're going to use that this 1 keeps repeating forever. We're going to kind of abuse it. So we're going to say, well, this is x. And that's cool. We can say, well, we can also find what 10x is. 10x is just going to be 1 with this repeating forever, right? 1.11111 and so on. And because this keeps repeating forever and this keeps repeating forever, well, if we say 10x minus x, well, what do we get? We get 1 and so on, repeating for infinity, minus 0.1111, repeating forever. Well, this repeating part, well, it's just going to disappear. They're going to cancel each other out, right? So all that's left there is 1. And over here it's 9x. So what can we find? Well, x is not only 0.1111, it's also 1 over 9. And this you can verify in your calculator. It will be 0.1111 repeating forever. Okay, that for A. Let's do one more. Let's do C. C looks interesting. No, well, let's do B first. Let's do B. So 0.121212. So again, here there's a clearly repeating part, but it's not just one number now. It's 2. Is this 12? And again, we can abuse this. We can say this is x is 12. So 0.12121212. But what do we need to do now? Well, again, we want to find something like this where we can cancel just repeating parts out. So we need to isolate it. And in this case, we need to do 100 times x. Why? Because then neatly this first 12 will move in front. You will get 12 with 12, 12, 12, 12 as a repeating part after the comma. And then you can just, well, cancel it out from each other. So you can do 100x minus x is equal to 12.1212 forever minus 0.121212. And then you find, well, 12 is equal to 99x. So x is 12 over 99. Okay. C, I'm just going to help you along. In this case, 0.1, 2, 3, and then 4 starts repeating forever. Well, we need to abuse the repeating part, but there is all this kind of junk in front of it. Well, we need to isolate that. And we can definitely isolate it. We just have to be a little bit more clever than before. So all we need to do is bring this in front. So we're going to say 1000x is going to be 1, 2, 3, 123, 4, 4, 4. Okay, and now we have something repeating. Now we can work with this because this junk needs to be in front. Okay, and then we can say, well, we're going to do that just one more time, a little bit higher. We're going to do 10,000 times x, and what are we going to find? Well, we're going to be able to isolate, again, this repeating part. Sorry, that looks like a 9. That was not the intention. 1234 with 4 as a repeating part. And then, my God, I'm just drawing nice now. Anyways, you get what I mean. And then from there, you can work it out even further and, well, you can find your answer. This is going to be the end of this part of the exercise session. There's going to be one more, and it's going to be on absolute values. See you there, but first take your time to process this. See ya.